Come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good
sir.
morning. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, what's your name?
So my name is Tanu Pandey from class 12 Humanity.
Okay, Tanu Pandey. And what's your name?
So I'm Urvashi Chen from class 12.
Urvashi Chan. So your names are Tanu Pandey and Urvashi Chan. Tanu, your code is 19A and Urvashi, your code is 19B. Okay, so first of all, Tanu Pandey, please tell me something about yourself.
So my name is Tanu Pandey from class 12 Humanities.
Okay.
My family comprised of 5 members.
Yeah.
I am blessed with the talent of writing poetries.
Okay, which kind of poetry you like to read?
So every type of social, romantic, every type of.
Okay. And can you tell me some poets, the poems written by the poets?
Yes, sir. I love the poetries of Rahat Indori
Okay.
and many more.
Okay. Vikram Seth?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I like Urdu poets.
And what's your ambition?
I love the profession of civil servant and poet.
Okay. Very nice. And now, Urvashi, please tell me something about yourself.
This is Urvashi Chen and I am from class 12 Humanities.
Yeah.
I dwell in Gram Garosa Chauraha, Madhurpur, Kaushambi. My hobbies are reading books and listening to the music. And I like the profession of writer.
Okay. And can you tell me something about your hometown?
Yes, sir. My hometown have all the required facilities like education, healthcare and entertainment too.
Okay. And your school also has all types of facility?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to our next task. Your next task is topic presentation. So both of you have to present your topic. And first, Tanu Pandey, you are going to tell us about your topic. When Tanu Pandey will finish her topic, Urvashi, you will ask some questions. And also I will ask some follow-up questions. So are you ready for that?
Yes.
So let's present your topic.
I would like to start my topic with the famous quote of Mahatma Gandhi. Poverty is a great curse upon humanity.
Yeah.
Poverty is a state in which an individual is unable to fulfill even the basic necessities of life. The basic necessities of life include food, housing, clothing, educational and health facilities. Dada Bhai Naroji was the first person to calculate the poverty line. He
Yeah.
used jail cost of living for this. There are many causes of poverty. Population explosion is one of the major causes of poverty. Other causes are lack of educational facilities, lack of infrastructural facilities, and many more.
Yes.
Government should step in this to provide health and educational facilities and also encourage every society and every poor peoples for the education both for women and men, male children.
Okay. Now, Urvashi, you ask some questions.
So then how could you say that poverty is a curse upon humanity?
So, Urvashi, nobody would like to live in poverty as it leads to hunger. Poor people die because of lack of medical facilities and they live with the sense of helplessness. So, I conclude that this is what I say that this is right to be said.
Yes. And Tanu, can you tell me what is the cause for poverty? What is the reason behind it?
Yes, sir. So there are 2 scholars who concluded this very greatly, Shaheen Rafi Khan and Killen, who
Okay.
describe poverty as helpless,
Yeah.
powerless and lack of representation and freedom.
Okay. Illiteracy.
Literacy, they are malnourished
Yeah.
and very poor looking, lack of health facilities, less opportunity of
Okay.
education.
Very nice. And now, Urvashi Sen, you are going to tell us about your topic. So are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Start your topic.
If we wish to see India free from gender bias, then we have to provide the same opportunities to women which is made for men, and the most important one is to educate them. If we compare India's literacy rate in respect to female population, then we found that it has improved, but yet there are certain states
Yeah.
but yet there are certain states which recorded very low.
Yes.
To improve it and to progress and develop India, we need to understand the importance of girl education. If a girl isn't capable in the key areas of health, education and access to resources, then her choice also get limited, which will then affect her lives, children, family, household culture, and behavior. This issue established major obstacle in overall development of India. An educated woman can reduce can result in can result in decrease in social issues like child marriage and domestic violence, and our economy will grow faster if more and more women become financially strong and thereby reducing poverty. They will become more confident and handle their families better in all spheres.
Okay, very nice. Tanu, you asked some questions.
So, Urvashi, tell me how the girls' choices get limited.
If a girl is not capable in the key areas of health, education, and access to resources, then her choice also gets limited, and which will then affect her family, household culture, behavior, etc.
Okay. And you asked any other questions? Corruption. What do you mean by corruption? In girl child education. Can you see in schools, in the societies, people are not aware to send their daughters for study?
So this is because our Indian society got its means our Indian societal structure got its root from
Yeah.
from
Girl child education. What is the ambition? What's your ambition?
so I
As a girl child, you are studying here. Your parents are providing you quality school, quality teachers, and you are studying here for academic excellence. So, what's your ambition of life? In life?
so I want to be a writer.
Yes, an IAS officer.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. And now this is your next task. This is problem solving task. I am going to give you an information about a problem. Both of you discuss about the problem and find out solution. Okay, this is your prompt.
Yes.
10.
During summer, when there is a scarcity of water, you notice that your immediate neighbors use water liberally to wash their vehicle and their front yard. Discuss with your partner. So, what I think, Urvashi, is we should tell them the consequences of water scarcity and take them to the area where the water is very scarce.
And then I want to add one more thing is that this issue established major obstacle in sustainable development which could threaten for future generation.
Okay, can you are you agree with the statement of Urvashi?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And other any suggestion can you give to the people?
Nowadays everyone has water purifier, and the
Yeah.
fact is that a water purifier wastes 5 liters of water to make
Yeah.
a liter. So
Yes.
what he could do is that he could collect that water and use for these purposes, and he could also use water which is left
As a
from
responsible
vegetables.
citizen, we have to save the water for future. No? Save water for future generation.
Yes.
Thank you very much. You have done very well your task. My blessings, my best wishes are always with you. Thank you very much. And now you may go now.